Hey everybody, I'm Jay the Welder, and we're living the brew life here in Tampa, Florida. It's awesome, it's sunny out, and we always get a chance to brew awesome beers. So today, we're over here at the Tampa Bay Brewing Company, and we're looking at one of the newest and coolest innovations that I invented. Okay, so over here, this is a centrifuge, and the centrifuge is one of the latest innovations for the craft beer industry, and it is a filter, and it's how we filter our beers. And if you have the ability to have a centrifuge, you're going to have the ability to have some really awesome clean beers. Okay, so how this works is the beer comes from these giant fermentation tanks to the centrifuge, and from the centrifuge to your bright tank. And then from your bright tank to your packaging hall, over here where you're packaging your beers. That's how it was until the Spinbot 5000 was invented. Okay, so let's go take a look at the Spinbot 5000. Okay, so here are two Spinbot 5000s, and we just had the beautiful opportunity of building two of these, one for the Tampa Bay Brewing Company and one for Aviators for David's brother Mark up at Aviators Brewing Company. The Spinbot 5000 is a double vortex infusion tank, and it was invented by me, and how it works is it's a flavoring vessel. So in the craft beer industry, we want to make awesome, cool beers that have great different colors, great different flavors. And how do you flavor those beers? And how do you go about the process of putting those flavors in? Well, you either stick them in your fermenter, or later on, you got to put them in your bright tank. But now, we have the Spinbot 5000. So it would take days and up to a week to flavor a beer. But now, with the Spinbot 5000, you literally can flavor a beer within 24 to 48 hours. So let's see how it works. So over here, the Spinbot 5000 has an inlet, and this is a Spinbot 5000 manifold, and it is a double vortex infusion tank manifold. So it has a clockwise and counterclockwise flow that turn into two probables, which creates a torus current in the center. So it kind of looks like an hourglass. So you got your beer coming in here, and then it's splitting into two, and then it's spinning clockwise and counterclockwise, and it goes around the flavors that you're going to infuse in your beer. And then this is hooked up in tandem with one of the tanks, either a fermenter or a bright tank, and then later on, you'll take that beer and you'll spin it in your centrifuge or your filter. So that's it. This is the newest, coolest innovation for the craft beer industry. It is a double vortex infusion tank, and it helps flavor the beers on a colossal level without jeopardizing the integrity or the quality of the beer. Matter of fact, it gives you the ability to actually cut off the profile exactly where you want to dial it in. So that's awesome. That's something we never had for the craft beer industry before. So I'm Jay the Welder, and we're down here in Tampa, Florida at the Tampa Bay Brewing Company. And thanks for your support, and thanks for watching, and brew on.